Chapter 36, Business Ideas Catalog. There are no menial jobs, only menial minds. There are no odd jobs, just odd mindsets. To conclude this module, let me give you a list of different kinds of businesses you can explore, in addition to all I have given previously in this book. 1. Poultry. 2. Car wash services. 3. Printing business. 4. Dry cleaning services. 5. Popcorn business. 6. Garbage collection. 7. Photography. 8. Exercise book production. 9. Farming. 10. Newspaper and magazine sales. 11. Fruit shop. 12. Opinion poll or rating agency. 13. Collection center for dry cleaners. 14. House-to-house dry cleaning services. 15. Greeting card production. 16. Beans flour production. 17. Canned food, fish, baked beans, or moin moin. 18. Children cookies production. 19. Fast food business. 20. Food seasoning production. 21. Powder fruit drink production. 22. Packing of special type of gari in nylon bags. 23. Packaged rice. 24. Sealed groundnut production. 25. Sealed pepper production. 26. Nursery and primary school. 27. Estate agency. 28. Children cloth and wares manufacturing. 29. Catering. 30. Computer graphic development. 31. Animal husbandry. 32. Improving on an existing product. 33. Daycare or baby care. 34. Baking and bread making. 35. Marketing existing products. 36. Business registration for companies. 37. Fund management. 38. Filling of annual report for companies. 39. Management consultancy. 40. Barbing salon. 41. Soap making. 42. Toilet roll production. 43. Cake production. 44. Adoption agency. 45. Bags and nylon manufacturing. 46. Transport business. 47. Aquarium production. 48. Beverage manufacture. 49. Coffee and tea shop. 50. Mobile snack operation. 51. Event planning. 52. Biography publishing or autobiography. 53. Photojournalism. 54. Advertising photography. 55. Studio photography. 56. Artistic painting. 57. Graphic artist. 58. Outdoor or society photography. 59. Writing. 60. Business training. 61. Computer assembling and repairs. 62. Computer consumable manufacturing. 63. Clearing and forwarding. 64. Computer software development. 65. Contract publishing. 66. Freelance writing. 67. Office supplies. 69. Designing. 70. Hotel motel supplies. 71. Modeling. 72. Acting. 73. Manuscript reviewing. 74. Video recording. 75. Art cartoon. 76. house or room rental. 77. Binding. 78. Telephone services. 79. Gardener. 80. Party planning. 81. Drug supply to chemist. 82. Production of packed fried meat. 83. Detergent production. 84. Chalk production. 85. Hairdressing. 86. Furniture making. 87. Crop husbandry. 88. Sign writing. 89. Ice cream making. 90. Tailoring. 91. Marketing agent. 92. Floor and rug cleaning. 93. Leather production, shoe, bag. 94. Arranging comedies. 95. Canteen and restaurant. 96. Refreshment sales. 97. Food item sales. 98. Supermarket and variety stores. 99. Bookshop. 100. Tourism and tours. 101. Game center. 102. Transporting agency. 103. Photocopying center. 104. Horticulture. 105. Printing of stationery. 106. Travel agency. 107. Video club. 108. Manual labor. 109. Export and import business. 110. Courier business. 111. Used automobile agent or sales. 112. Manufacturing of juice. 113. Educational book publishing. 114. Cocoa bean merchandising. 115. Construction. 116. Garment manufacturing. 117. Paint and varnish manufacturing. 118. Tire retreading. 119. Bottling of soft drinks. 120. Manufacturing of matches. 121. Diary production. 122. Plastic manufacturing. 123. Screen printing on cloth. 124. Scanning business. 125. 201 machine use. 126. Cord machine use. 127. Cement manufacturing. 128. Singlet manufacturing. 129. Passenger bus service. 130. Haulage. 131. Insecticide and pesticide. 132. Shopping bag, purse, shoes, etc. 133. Oil servicing company. 134. Paper conversion business. 135. Wire, nails, nuts, etc. 136. Rice milling. 137. Fertilizer production. 139. Business center. 140. Sticker production and sales. 141. Customized product. 142. Creative and innovative product. 143. Career pursuit. 146. Repairs. 147. Script writing. 148. Script review. 149. Lesson and weekend classes. 150. Rental services. 151. Music production. 152. voiceover. 153, playing of music instrument. 154, songwriting or arrangement. 155, making of soundtrack. 156, TV and radio program. 157, studio. 158, video production. 159, balloon decoration. 160, packaged water business. 161, rug and carpet washing. 162, audio duplication. 163, audio and music club. 164,